How to block and unblock WhatsApp contacts on your Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can block and unblock the WhatsApp contacts on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, type in WhatsApp. Go ahead and either download or update it to the latest version. So first of all, I will begin with the process of actually blocking someone. So let's go to open WhatsApp. Open any of the person whom you want to block. Tap on the profile name at the very top, and all you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll find this option which says block. So tap on block button, and you can see it says to block, so tap on the block option again. As soon as you do that, that person will actually be particularly blocked, and you will not be able to actually send a message to that particular person. As you can see, it'll ask me to unblock it. So in order to move to the unblocking process, as I did just now, you could go ahead and tap on it, try to send a message, and you could tap on the unblock button just to unblock them. Or if you want to unblock them manually because you don't have them in a chat list, then tap on the three dots on the top right corner and go ahead and select the one which says settings. As you select settings, you'll be able to see all these options. Now go ahead and then select account. Now as soon as you select account, go ahead and select the one which says privacy. And once you select privacy, what you want to do is you have to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find a section which is blocked contacts. So all you have to do is tap on block contacts. In order to unblock them, tap on it, and then tap on unblock that person, and that person is going to be removed from your block list. And this is how you can block and unblock WhatsApp contacts on Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.